Explain the formation of oxide from decomposition of metal carbonates, nitrates and sulphates. Okay, now discuss. When a metal carbonate is heated, it decomposes to form respective metal oxide and carbon dioxide, that is calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3, heated form respective metals oxide, that is calcium oxide CaO, okay, and carbon dioxide CO2. Next part, when metal nitrate is heated, it decomposes to form respective metal oxide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen, that is 2 Mg NO3 magnesium nitrate. Applied heat form magnesium oxide, respective metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Okay, next part, when a metal sulfate is heated, it decomposes to form respective metal oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, that is iron sulfate 2FeSO4, heated form iron oxide Fe2O3 and sulfur dioxide SO2 and sulfur trioxide SO3. Okay, my dear viewers, thank you.